Well, joining us on the broadcast is Pramila Nesargi. She's a senior leader of the BJP, also an advocate. You also have Mr. Kapil Sankla, who's an advocate of a senior lawyer from the Supreme Court of India. You have Mr. K.V. Stanley, who's the founder secretary of Odinadi. It's an NGO. Today, I want to begin the show by a statement from a lawyer. Mr. Sankla, Dr. Sankla, I'm coming to you. If a complaint has been made under POCSO, these are sexual assault charges, it's not a stray incident that has happened. It has happened over years. The accused is in a position of power and authority. Shouldn't there be an immediate arrest in a matter like this?
Well, you're absolutely right. But then that's also prejudging the issue. It doesn't matter for me whether he is a high pontiff, a person who's a leader of a mutt or a politician or whosoever. Let us look at it like this. That there are two minors, 16 years, 15 years, who made some very serious allegations. As you rightly stated, it is not just a case of sexual assault, but of aggravated sexual assault because he's a person in trust and in authority. And therefore, the minimum sentence is 5 years and it can go up to 20 years if there is penetrative sex that's involved, which does not seem to be the case right now with whatever is there. So, the punishment could be anything between 5 to 7 years, right? But the matter is under investigation and a statement under 164 CRPC has to be mandatorily recorded in such cases as per the Supreme Court guidelines. The person, as far as I understand, has deep roots in the society and is not absconding. He has already moved for protection of the court. So the matter is already in court. Should he be arrested? Yes, definitely, why not? But this is what we are as a country, that the moment there is an FIR, we all create hue and cry that a person should be arrested till it comes to somebody like us. And then we say, oh, why is there a necessity to arrest?
I disagree with you there. I disagree with you there.
Let me just finish. I agree with you.
No. This is a case under POCSO, sir. The POCSO in law, in substance, is very clear. If you have a complaint of that nature, arrest is immediate.
As I said, I completely agree with you. But I also said that there is another part of it as a defense lawyer. The first part, yes, the person should be arrested. There are minors involved. It's very heinous offense. Such things should not be let to go scot-free. But the second part of it is that what does a person do in such instances? If he has a case, if he has a prima facie case, if he has a case that he can bring to the court, and if he is arrested, then he will move a regular bail. Am I right? Or he will abscond, he will go underground and move for an anticipatory bail. The moment he is before the court, that is what I'm saying. If he has not absconded and he's gone before the court, then that protective mechanism and respect of the court should be granted to any person.
Kapilji, I will lead the debate with the first point that you made. I will lead the debate with the first point that you made, which is that it does not matter how powerful, how much money you have, how much influence you have in the society. The law of the land is that it's going to be same for everyone, for a person on the street to somebody sitting in a palace or in a bungalow or somebody very powerful. If there's a complaint against POCSO of aggravated sexual assault in a matter like this, arrest is immediate and that should happen. Not that the accused don't have their rights, they do. On that note, Pramila Nesargi, I'm coming to you. What made a tall leader like Mr. Yediyurappa give a clean sheet to the seer who's under the scanner right now and facing some very, very serious allegations and investigation?
I don't think that he has given a clean sheet. Your understanding is not right. He was asked about his opinion. He said it looks like a case made out, concocted. He has not said given a clean sheet. He is also agreeing for an investigation. He has never said it. Opinion can be given. In fact, in Karnataka, almost all Swamijis, irrespective of the religion, be it Christ or be it Mohammedans, every one of them, every community Swamijis, Gurus, they are telling that Swamiji is innocent. Are they not entitled to give an opinion? See, just because a complaint is given, it must be taken, according to you, under the POCSO Act. Don't you think that the complainant, whenever he gives a complaint, the police have a responsibility to find out whether the complaint is genuine, whether it is made by them on their own, or whether they have been set up by somebody, whether it is a true case. The investigation, preliminary investigation, has to be made by the police. That is what they have been doing. Registering the case.
In my understanding, and by sheer common sense, forget law here, that if a former chief minister of a state and a tall leader like Mr. Yadurappa says, that this is a concocted case, or it looks like that, this is all being made up, there is no substance to it, I think it's a clean sheet which is being given. I don't think any powerful office, including the office of the present chief minister, can stop an investigation. I don't think that's the provision under the constitution.
I'm sorry,
And the third thing, Pramila ji, I'll give you the opportunity to respond. Listen to me. In fact, there was a big debate that happened in the Supreme Court that people who are in public offices or politicians who are in power, should they comment on a sub judice matter and give their opinion? The court did not pass any orders, but it's a plausible argument to make that if you're in a public office, if you're the ruling party of the day, should you pass judgments like these? Because you're, at the end of the day, making a statement on the victim's character or the complainant's character.
Can I answer?
Please, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Can I answer you?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Pramila ji, please go ahead.
Hello?
If you can hear me.
Yeah. So if your theory is accepted, then you can't have this debate. You can't ask questions. You can't call people on a matter which is pending. No, it's pending. Then why you are having an
No, I don't think so. That's the point. I have not said that he is guilty. I have not said that somebody is exonerated. I have said that there is a process of law. Please follow it.
Yes. Is it your case process is not followed? I am just giving a history. The complaint was lodged, which could have been filed in Chitradurga about 2 months back. Not filed. I do not know who financed, why she came, why she went to Mysore, who accompanied her, who financed her. Nothing is known. Why they go to the Nazarabad police station? Why? Because they had some clout there, they go there. All right. The complaint is registered, complaint is transferred to Chitradurga. What is happening? In Chitradurga, inquiry is being held. Statements of the victims have been recorded. Medical examination has been done. Their 164 statement is also being
How
taken.
long did it take for the 164 statement to be recorded?
So they're doing it. Yes. 164 is being recorded now. From
after 72 hours. After
Everything
72 hours.
is being done. And in law, under section 41A of the Criminal Procedure Code, under 41 capital A, a notice has to be issued to the accused persons. Now, in this case, notice has been issued.
Okay.
Inquiry is being held. So why do you think